Hi everyone, welcome to a Koala tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how you can invite your student into your Koala Go classroom. Now, to do this, just click on Invite Students at the top left corner of your classroom screen. This should then generate your classroom link and it should also automatically turn on your camera. Now, you can copy your link and send it to your students. However, if your students are in China, it's always best to click on My Students is in China and send them this link. The difference between this link and the other link is that this link has been optimized for students in China. We can now copy our classroom link and send it to our students across any platform we wish. Please note that your classroom link would always remain the same. Now, if my student sends in a request, it should appear like this, and I can choose to either accept or hide the request. If I'm probably in a lesson and I want to let my other student wait a while, I can click on hide and they can be in the waiting room. But once I click on accept, then they have access to join my Koala classroom. So once I accept my student, he should appear in the classroom like that. I know, my student looks a lot like me, but trust me, that's definitely my student. Now, another question you may ask is that, what if you've already clicked on invite students, but you'd still like your link available? So, there should be a mini button right next to where it says reward, and there should be an icon with a plus and an avatar in a circle. Once you click on this, it should regenerate your classroom link. Another question you may ask is that, how about if you're in the Chrome browser? It's the same process. Look for where it says reward, and beside reward, there should be a mini icon with a plus and an avatar, and this should regenerate your classroom link. So, that's it for today. Happy teaching everyone. Bye!